Social Science, 10th Standard Part History. Chapter 1st, The Advent of Europeans to India. Exercise questions and additional MCQs. Let's begin with Know This. Important years and events points. First, 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople. Second, 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Cape near Calicut. 1510, Albuquerque was occupied Goa from Bijapur Sultan. 1600, Queen Elizabeth issued permission to British to trade with India. 1664, French East India Company was established. 1764 to 48, the first Carnatic War fought between British and French. 1749 to 54, second Carnatic War fought. 1756 to 1763, Third Carnatic War was fought. 1757, the War of Plassey, it is a landmark war. 1764, War of Buxar, which gave British upper hand. 1765, Deville government implemented by Robert Clive. 12th one, the first Carnatic War ended by the Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle in 1748. The second Carnatic War ended by the Treaty of Pondicherry 1754, and the third Carnatic War ended by the Treaty of Paris 1763. Alfonso de Albuquerque was the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India. Warehouses means merchandise. 17 St. George Fort is in Chennai. Fort William is in Kolkata. And Dastak means license. First, complete the following blanks with the suitable answers. Fill in the blanks. The first, in 1453, the Ottoman Turks occupied dash city, Constantinople. Second one, the sea route between India and Europe was discovered by dash. Answer, Vasco da Gama. In 1741, Dutch declared war on dash, Travancore province, or on Martanda Varma. Fourth one, the capital of French in India was Pondicherry. Fifth, the war broke out between Sirajud-Dowlah and Robert Clive in 1757 was Plassey. Sixth one, the Diwani rights over Bengal were handed over to the British by Shah Alam II. Diwani right means tax collection rights. Seventh one, the Deville government policy was implemented by Robert Clive in Bengal. Next, second one, discuss in groups and answer the false. The eighth one here, how did trade take place between India and Europe during the Middle Ages? Our answer, the Arab merchants carried out the Asian merchandise into the Constantinople of Eastern Roman Empire. Italian merchants would buy goods and then sell in European countries. Constantinople was considered as the gateway of European trade. Arab merchants had gained monopoly over the trade in Europe. Next, Italian merchandise received good profit from Asia. Next, ninth one, discuss the reasons that resulted in the discovery of new sea route to India. Our answer, in 1453, the Ottoman Turks captured the city of Constantinople. The city of Constantinople came under the control of Turks. The Turks collected the many taxes on the goods passing through these routes. The merchandise felt that the trade was not profitable as it's before. Spain and Portugal were attempted to break the monopoly of Italian traders. They started encouraging courageous sailors to find a sea route to India. The invention of compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder provided the support to ventures. Next, 10th one, list the Europeans who came to India for trade. You just write their names: Portuguese, Dutch, British, French, and Danish. Either you have to give some detail, like here. Portuguese arrived first in 1498, led by Vasco da Gama, and established trading ports in Goa, Cochin, and other coastal areas. Dutch formed the Dutch East India Company in 1602 and focused on the trade, particularly in spices and textiles. British established the British East India Company in 1600 and gradually gained a dominant position in Indian trade, eventually expanding their political influence. The French East India Company was formed in 1664 and competed with the British for trade in India, but eventually faced defeated setbacks. The Danish East India Company, established in 1620, also participate in trade. Next, 11th. Explain how Martanda Varma checked the Dutch. He stopped them. How? Answer. Martanda Varma was a king of Wayanad. Wayanad in Kerala, present day Kerala. 1729 to 1758, saved from the surrounding rulers. He stood against the foreigners, even also foreigners. He shifted his capital from Padmanabhapuram to Thiruvananthapuram and has made world Travancore province. In present day, Kerala's capital is also Thiruvananthapuram. He defeated Dutch at Kolachalam in 1741 and 24 officers of Dutch were prisoned. He got back ports which were in the control of Dutch its before. Cochin was recognized as a center of spice port. Finally, on 5th August 1753, a treaty was signed and Dutch force was surrendered to him. Next, 12th one question. Explain the Second Carnatic War. Answer. The Second Carnatic War, fought between 1749 to 1754, was a major conflict in the Anglo-French rivalry in India, primarily over the Carnatic and Hyderabad regions. The war was resulted from the French-supported Chanda Sahib and Muzaffar Jung and the British-supported two of Muhammad Ali Khan and Nasir Jung, respectively. While the French initially made gains, the British eventually prevailed with the Treaty of Pondicherry, recognizing Muhammad Ali Khan as a Nawab of Carnatic. Or you have to be pause this and answer. 13. Explain the causes and results of the Battle of Plassey. Let's see first reasons. Misuse of dastaks. Sirajuddaulah was furious that the dastaks were misused by the officials and loses to the government treasuries. Dastak means here license to trade free. Mending of the fort without permission. The British repaired the fort of Calcutta and placed cannons in them. Sirajuddaulah opposed and ordered to removal of cannons, but British refused. Black Room Tragedy. Siraj occupied the Fort William and imprisoned 146 Englishmen in small room, of which 143 died for suffocation. So Robert Clive arrived in Bengal with a huge army in 1857. Results. Outcomes. This war brought out the immorality, lack of unity among the Indians, which still exists. Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal because Siraj defeated and killed. The company got rights to do business in Bengal tax free. Mir Jafar had to pay rupees 17 crores and 70 lakhs as a relief to Sirajuddaullah's attacks to the Fort William as a war indemnity. And 14. What were the results of the Battle of Buxar, 1764? Results. Shah Alam II accorded the Diwani rights over the Bengal to British. It is the first. Second one. Shah Alam gave away all the rights over Bengal to British for an annual fees of rupees 6 lakhs. Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Awadh, had pay war of rupees 50 lakhs for waging a war against the company. With the death of Mir Jafar, the company paid pension to his son and took over the entire administration of Bengal. The Battle of Buxar was made the British the real holders of power over Bihar, Bengal, Odisha provinces. Even Awadh remained under their control. In 1765, Robert Clive brought in civil government in Bengal. Activity. Collect information on presidency cities built by British. The three primary presidency cities built by British in India? The first one, Calcutta. The capital of British in India, Calcutta became the major until 1911. Major city for the trade, commerce and administration. It was established as a Fort William in 1690. Next, Chennai, Madras. Established as a Fort St. George in 1640. The Madras was the key center for the Madras Presidency and played a crucial role in the expansion of British influence in the southern part of India. Next, Mumbai, Amchi Mumbai. Established as a trading post in 1668, Bombay grew into a major port and administrative center for the Bombay Presidency, facilitating trade between India and Europe, and Mumbai known as a gateway of India. Now we take some additional multiple choice questions which help you understand better this. Let's dive in. First, during the Middle Ages, the Constantinople was considered as options: Byzantium, gateway of European trade, land route of all Asian nations, and great market of Arabs. Our right option is the second one here, gateway of European trade. Second one, this country had gained monopoly over the trade in Asia during the Middle Age. Our options are Italy, Portugal, Spain and Arab. Our right option is here, the last one, D, Arab world. Third one, Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese sailor, reached Calicut in, options are 1498, 1453 and 1492 and 1502. Our right option is here, the first one, 1498. Fourth one, the 1869 Suez Canal was built between, options are East and Western countries, Asia and Africa. C option, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea, and Mediterranean Sea and Paul Strait. Our right option is here, the third one, Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. This is owned by now Egypt government. Fifth one, Blue Water Policy was implemented by, options are Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida, Albuquerque and Duplessis. Our right option is here, second one, D. Francisco de Almeida. Sixth one, the Portuguese power declined in India because, options are arrival of British to India, arrival of Dutch to India, arrival of English and French to India, and arrival of French. Our right option here, third one, C, arrival of English and French to India. Seventh one, the English established their first factory or warehouse at, options are Plassey, Mumbai, Surat and D, Chennai. Our right option is here, the third one, Gujarat, Surat. 18th, English people built strong fort in Madras named as, options, St. Martin, St. Mary, St. William and St. George Fort. Our right option is here, last one, D, St. George Fort. Ninth one, Carnatic War fought between, options are Portuguese and English, Spanish and English, Dutch and English and French and English. Our right option is here, the last one, D, French and English. 10th, Sir Thomas Rio arrived at the court of, options are Akbar, Humayun, Jahangir, Shahjahan. Our right option is here, the third one, C, Emperor Jahangir. 11th one, the first Carnatic War was ended with the Treaty of, or options are here, Carnatic, Hyderabad, Paris and Aix-la-Chapelle. Our right option is here, last one, D, Aix-la-Chapelle. 12th one, the Battle of Plassey took place in, options are June 24th, 1756, May 24th, 1764 and June 23rd, 1766 and June 23rd, 77. Our right option is here, the last final one, June 23rd, 1757. 13. The Battle of Vandivash. The French were defeated by, our options are Bussy, Sir Eyre Court, Robert Clive and Ali Khan. Our right option is here the second one, Sir Eyre Court. 14th, during the War of the Buxar, Mir Qasim faced the British army led by options Mir Jafar, Sir Eyre Court, Robert Clive and Hector Munro. Our right option here the final one D, Hector Munro. 15th, Deville government brought by, our options are Sir Eyre Court, Hector Munro, Robert Clive and Cornwallis. Our right option here the third one, Robert Clive. 16th, French East India Company established in, options are 1664, 1602, 1600 and 1502. Our right option here the first one, 1664. 17, re-establish trade started between India and Europe by the, options are English people, Dutch, Portuguese and French. Our right option is here third one, C, Portuguese. 18th, Francisco de Almeida was implemented blue water policy because, options are to establish the supremacy over the sea instead of supremacy over land, to establish the supremacy over the land, control over sea and the land areas, and D, to establish the supremacy over the South India. Our right option is here the first one, A, to establish the supremacy over the sea instead of over land. 19th, the British were established a strong fort in Madras named as options are St. George Fort, Fort William and Calcutta and Madras and St. James the First. Our right option is here Madras means St. George, Calcutta means Fort William. 20. Duplessis had a high ambitions of establishing French power. It was caused to, our options are Anglo-French Wars, War of Plassey, War of Buxar and Carnatic. Our right option here the D, Carnatic Wars. 21. The main impact of War of Ambur was, options are death of Anwaruddin, Chanda Sahib became a Nawab of Carnatic, Robert Clive occupied Arcot, death of Asaf Jah. Our right option is here the first one, death of Anwaruddin. And 22nd, the military head of Sirajuddaulah was, options are Mir Jafar, Shah Alam II, Shujauddaulah and Mir Qasim. Our right option is Namak Haram, Mir Jafar. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.